Hi, today we're talking about conference registration tracker. So if you're having a conference and you want to track all the registrations that are being made for the conference, you can use this template. So as you can see at the bottom, we have a database which has all the records of the participants who are registering for the conference. You have the name, the email, the phone, organization, title, ticket type, registration date, payment status, attendance status, and along with that we have a note section. And if you scroll to the top, you can see the summary of the conference registrations. So we have paid attendees at the beginning, where you can track all the attendees who have paid for the conference visible over here. Then you have VIP tickets. So you can see the ticket type has been filtered as VIP status. It shows over here. And then there is attendance section, which is pending. So if any attendance is still pending and not yet finalized, it is visible over here. Then you have all the cancellations. So all the cancellations that are being made for the attendance are visible over here. And finally, we have the recently registered section. So all the applicants who have recently registered are shown over here in this recently registered section. So you can take help of this template to track all your requirements for conferences, and you can even play around with the settings and customize this template further as per your requirements. If you are in need of any help or with anything or any queries or any requirement, please reach out to me on Notion for my use at the gmail.com, and I can help you with that. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, that is PDF Output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. So basically, you will require a Google document, which will act as a source template file where you can define the PDF template. And then you would need a database such as a Google Sheet or a Notion database, from where the data will be captured and the documents will be generated in bulk. So you can watch a video of how you can exactly do the same for invoices over here that has been added. And you can exactly use this workflow for any of the documents that you are generating for a business or for your personal use case. So do check out PDF Output for this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.